Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra ready for departure to the south at runway 05 right.
JMB Aviation Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra altimeter. Continue for south departure.
Mexico Tower JMB Aviation Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra continue for south departure.
Follow the generic on final. Wind tree 56 at 25. Caution the generic landing runway 05 left. Clear to land runway 0. Clear to land runway 05 right Aeromexico 9er, tree 9er. Golf Sierra, leaving my airspace frequency change approved.
Mexico Tower JMB Aviation Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra frequency change. Mexico approach JMB Aviation Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra is type JMB Aviation VL 35 miles south of Mexico City 7,400 feet. Request flight following. JMB Aviation X-ray Golf Sierra.
JMB Aviation X-ray Golf Sierra radar contact 6 miles south of Mexico City 7,700 feet. Altimeter tree 0.2 tree.
Roger JMB Aviation X-ray Golf Sierra.